Based on the established patterns in which major version leaps, such as from Claude 3 to Claude 4, follow an approximate cadence of 1 year, while intermediate variants are made available every 3 to 6 months, the prevailing expectation is that Claude 5 will be introduced in the second quarter of 2026. The strategic choice of this schedule reflects a balance between speed of innovation and technological maturation, allowing for the introduction of potential intermediate versions, such as the speculated Claude 4.5 at the end of 2025, or the beginning of 2026, while at the same time ensuring that Claude 5 represents a structural leap. Now, on the technical front, the most transformative shift is expected to occur in the advancement of agentic capabilities. While Claude 4 introduced initial abilities of computer use, and Claude 4.1 refined the handling of tools and multi-agent systems, Claude 5 is expected to inaugurate a higher level of orchestration. This means native capability to decompose complex goals into organized subtasks, delegate those tasks to specialized sub-agents, whether they are other instances of Claude, pieces of code, or external APIs, and synthesize the outputs into a coherent final product. This architecture places the model at the core of the agent economy, a paradigm in which multiple AIs work in coordination across corporate workflows. In programming, in turn, the expectation is that Claude 5 will advance from file-level code understanding to repository-level reasoning, enabling it to handle entire code bases, grasp complex interdependencies, and perform large-scale refactoring with minimal human intervention. This leap addresses the demand of teams that require models capable of acting as true technical collaborators in large-scale projects. Moreover, in this context, the extended thinking feature introduced in Claude 4 is expected to evolve into a more efficient and standardized reasoning process. Another crucial aspect will be the native integration of the MCP recently released by Anthropic as open source. And if in its initial milestones the MCP focused on simplifying the connection of models to data and external tools, in Claude 5 it is expected to become a structural component, allowing the model to securely and standardizedly access corporate databases, internal software, and real-time data streams. In practice, this means that Claude 5 will be the company's first model designed from its inception to operate deeply within enterprise environments, representing a strategic advantage in securing large-scale corporate contracts. Now in the field of memory, one of the most significant advances is expected, as Claude 5 should inaugurate a persistent and structured memory system, capable not only of recalling past interactions, but also of building and maintaining a consistent world model for specific projects, updating this knowledge over time. This feature is essential for long-duration agentic tasks that extend over days or weeks, radically expanding its business applicability. Strategically, this entire set positions Claude 5 as an architectural leap, consolidating Anthropic at the forefront of agent-oriented AI, and by combining native orchestration, repository-level reasoning, enterprise integration via MCP, and persistent memory, the model answers to corporate demands for scalable and integrated solutions. And if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, and I'll see you soon.